Hey everyone, welcome back to Saas Pro. In today's video, I'll show you how to download WEBTOON on laptop, step by step, so you can enjoy your favorite comics right from your PC or Mac. Step 1. Click the first link in the description, and you'll be taken to the BlueStacks website where you can download WEBTOON. This is an Android emulator that lets you run mobile apps directly on your computer. Step 2. Click on the Run option and download the installer for your PC or Mac. It only takes a few moments to start downloading, so be patient. Step 3. Open the file after it's downloaded and install BlueStacks by following the on-screen instructions. Make sure you allow permissions and sign in with your Google account when prompted. Step 4. Now, click the second link in the description. This will take you straight to the WEBTOON app on the Google Play Store inside BlueStacks. Step 5. Click Install on the WEBTOON app page. It'll begin downloading the app just like it would on a regular Android device. Step 6. Once installed, open WEBTOON from the home screen of BlueStacks and start reading. Now you can browse, read, and enjoy all your favorite series right from your laptop. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Saas Pro for more helpful tech tutorials.